back at? Well, RTC, bro.
RTC probably sweet.
Yeah, wait.
He probably sweet. Justin, Alex, Ragin, football. It's not bad.
He got me too. I forgot.
No,
I forgot I played D-line, bro. I forgot.
We should be screwed.
Throw the ball, man. Throw the ball. I'm trying to see if I can catch with this chart. These big ass ears I got.
And we got my nigga Luke
Chart.
Man,
Hey, don't worry about the chart. This is me.
You gonna catch the ball with a regular chart. It's just a chart, man.
No, I can't see the ball with these ears.
Oh, we go here.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Why you try yourself? Where you at?
I'm good. With the ears, bro.
I don't see you. What ears?
I'm right here, bro.
Got my ear. I can't see. I'm looking at you, bro. Aim just behind me. What ear? What ear? Yo, I'm on 500. A bucket. I feel like you should take that off. That chart, that shit bad.
Yeah, I can't see the ball. Yeah, I can't see the ball.
Give me back right quick.
Hey, you not hey, bro. Hey. Why is he asking for media? He's not touching media. I want you to love you, baby. I want you to love you, baby. Love for me, oh baby. Yes, you love for me. I want you to love you. Baby, love me. Oh, baby.
What you doing? Where's my chart, Ray?
Yes.
Oh, baby. Smile for me.
Oh, Justin Herbert, pretty good.
He's still here.
I want
He's doing.
you.
You doing?
Listen, I'm dunking on you. I'm good.
I just don't think he's in.
Hey, tell her, MSA, Eric has the game for NBC. You got DTS in the game. You got 14 in here.
My nigga DT finna watch me walk.
That nigga DT can fling everybody and pick burgers off. Should be funny.
That's funny too. We got more so we came in today, so
Yeah, where's this boo boo streamer at?
We finally got some decent real. Yeah, wait, where the gold jerseys at, nigga?
Hold up, bro. Sus, yeah, bro. Hey, do not watch this guy stream because niggas ass. I literally caught the stream way before him, by the way. Like, that nigga's a bum. But I guess, cause I literally been pinging it. Like, bro. Like, bro, I've been calling that game. But I just guess, cause you lucky or not. And he left the game. Yeah, not glad, bro. Yo. I know this nigga left the game. Wait. Did he join? Sus, in fact, not join back. Yeah, yeah, he just. Fault for leaving. Are y'all? You're. It's my fault. My fault. We already know how this is about to go. Oh my god, dude. This is just free, bro. Alright, boys. Yeah, we already know how this is going. It's gonna be built. Yeah. I'm suspended. You know. I bet y'all wanna hear the big key drawer? I bet y'all can hear the big key drawer. Fuck, I have to join the VC real quick.
You came out. We said the day to play. Look at it.
I ain't hearing that. I ain't locked.
I said when the play starts, you be open at the beginning.
Yeah.
You niggas don't play that shit.
This is the whole
No.
That's your shit. But that looked risky, but good pass, bro. Oh, that was right over the shit. Yeah, I know. Like, in my spirit, like, really, you played it. I played
I'm in the VC.
Yeah. Oh, man. It's Ferrari in the game. It's in the game. He can't make it.
Like, bro, why does this guy not take my stream?
Rico, wake up, Rico. Hey, still the ball. If you go to nigga, I'm still in the ball, shut up. Going crazy.
Alright. But hey, y'all see my stream because y'all can hear the go burgers. You know.
Like,
You heard?
this shit's so. Oh, he called
Oh my god.
Cheap. Right, this shit.
Go my own line now. I'll give
Bro.
you Andy, bro. My own line that.
Bro, so don't cheat, bro.
Yo, Ray, you gonna walk past me, Ray? Fuck you, nigga.
Why is this kid flying?
That's some defense. Everybody. Play defense.
What the fuck is this?
This area is like shit. Who's flying?
That's probably a mega one of the niggas.
Yo.
I know I should walk. They don't want me.
You should play on it because I'm gonna wait for for me.
Yeah, they must have to your bird.
And I got it. I wait.
But I'm telling you, this guy's actually a bot.
Yeah.
Better go.
Why is that so open? It's a holding call. It's a holding call. It's a holding call. It's good.
Ooh, damn.
Wait.
Hey. Pause.
You could the call that you wanted to. You died.
This guy's a bot. Holy fuck. This nigga was live. He got kicked. I'm crying.
This way, yes, I got playing ballfish.
It's apple. Now, there's like 3 on the left. So I try to play on that in the street.
You know what I'm Hey, I want everyone in the stream to watch.
I'm on my side. I played the middle. That's 4 over here.
And y'all can hear it.
Just went the other line, Bill. Watch the run. Blender.
Man,
I like the much.
I'm gonna your hand up. Yeah, I told you.
It's after stuff. It's in the
Are you back on receiver?
Hold up.
The real demon.
I'm gonna get my
Your
box.
last man right here. If you run to come back, you run it. Just don't let him go deep. Me and stop trying to press.
I'm going in the box.
Don't dive. Oh, don't never dive on
Yeah,
that.
that's horrible.
You wish they truck to get the type of good stuff, hey, man. Oh my goodness.
Where's alright, I'm gonna sit.
the tackle.
I'm gonna sit right here so I can see the score.
Watch the way, do it. Watch the way. Don't hand off.
I got you last on each trip. I got you. I got you.
Alright, look. Hey, this is how you have aura. Oh shit. No, they score. Oh, and never mind. It was a pick. Oh my god. God damn.
Nah, see what else looking at.
Like, look at this aura, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, we're gonna show y'all the game, I'll bet.
I wrote that.
Bro, what the Yo, look at Saharu's haircut. God damn.
You got last man.
Oh my god.
Holy 50.
Wow. That's what happens.
He's about
That's wow. Wowzer.
There's 3 legs.
I know.
Wow.
I think he died so late. They got a chance to pop. You can't blame that on me, bro. Nobody blames you, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Don't start saying I should have do this. I should have do that.
Oh, you should have threw me
I
in the
can't
middle,
see
man. I was
bro.
wide open, gang. What you doing?
It wasn't a bad pass that you got fouled. Also, this nigga want to slide. I'll play the slide.
Oh my god.
Lance, come on, bro.
Good. I'm good.
Please, that's
A pop. That's a pop. Walker. Couldn't do nothing. That's a bad pass.
Just a little keep your car with defense. You ain't like you on the field.
He can talk, bro.
And people were saying that this team was going to score 16 on Miami. They might.
Tell us nigga stop diving, nigga.
God. Ray on his LOS.
Good tackle. Oh my god. He should have got probably about the fumble. I mean, yeah, probably. That was just no time. He might be out here to the game. Clip that.
Yeah. I heard that
Rolls.
shit. That shit was like jiggly. I got you. Yo, what's his name?
They're both back there. Ray gets the sack. Oh my gosh. Ray on is him.
Yo, one of them. You don't see nobody else. I'm just playing outside. Sideline, come back in.
Ray, I'm sure the better 55 something stop, bro.
I'm on a thick one.
I'm gonna start checking what I got.
Yes, your boy's on Miami. I got suspended.
Oh,
So I can't play.
He got popped. Right. It wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad bag. He got popped.
Wait, is that Vols?
Yeah, that's good. I wonder who that is.
Man, I would have been like there, bro.
Oh shoot! I got to start playing too now. Hold on. I'm about to come back left. Never mind. He's playing under me. It's so. It's bad. It's fine.
Saw her with the messed up haircut. Look, that's Lance. Never mind.
These little content. They're ugly, bro. But you was not. What's that nigga name?
This is very bad.
Remember for the Giants for that nigga name? Okay, yo, Enzo, I'm finna give you some. Never mind. I do not do this stuff. That's a paper, man. You got it. I'm back into.
Yeah. Hey. With me, with the starting O-line, you the LOS team.
I just said you got to communicate. I see something on my country. Yo, Lance, roll out left. Raise up. I'm going to give you the sideline. I'm going to post up you. You should have it. Unless that nigga play, yeah. So you can see I'm back there like,
man, Enzo's open.
Man is cheap. That's what when we streaking on the LOS, this nigga just not looking at me.
Volts! I streaking on Volts.
I need to start shooting on LOS. That shit is garbage, but that's like, that shit was not garbage back with route. Running out. It's not open, bro. Like, what?
Yeah, not number 4. Oh my god, that's so shiny.
And now I'm going, yeah. I was about to throw that into pathetic.
Oh my god, Enzo. Oh my god, dude.
I'm just running into like somebody else's zone, bro.
Hey, y'all see me up there? Like, I'm right there.
If you're outside, bro,
that's Aura. That's Aura.
You ready?
What the fuck is this avatar?
Those shots at me.
I use a prayer times like this and around like this, so man.
Can't be, bro.
This one like so sad. Dude, this online without me is like
actually. Call the side, bro. Please just call the side.
I'm
saying right. I don't got no pocket.
This, Lord,
bro. That crawfish nigga is crazy. That's I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, they need me, bro.
Somebody. He gonna feed, trying to fit it. He couldn't fit it. Hey, call it a float first. I'm just post over. Hey, I'm supposed to get outside. Get outside. It's just one leaving free. I'm not gonna lie. You gonna have to get all right. Hey, then let's look at it right now.
Yo, yes they do. What do you mean?
Let's go to field, Lance. Go outside.
Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
But what does they mean? Like, they don't need me.
Yeah, you garbage. I'm better than you. Come on. Who is that guy? Hey, Lance, help box T-Rex. I'm about to go left.
Honestly, if I was not
T-Rex ready, come get her. Thank you.
I would have fried the Lubus guy.
Really bad. Lance will be open every play. Okay. You gotta stop moving away from the open zone, Lance. And I was cutting in because I thought you were about to throw it. You wide open. Spot open. But there was nobody. I'm gonna sit. Left. Just go underneath me.
Yes.
Oh, no, Lance. It's wide open.
Oh my gosh. That D-line should have...
That D-line had a brain. No, that wasn't crap. Okay, that D-line did have a brain.
Hey, if I was Lewis right there, oh my god, I would cry in that. Still that. He's a Ray on.
Since stop going deep, yeah. I didn't ever see you next time. You should have kept that remote. Or something. It's a D-line bet on Lance. Damn, you only got back there.
It don't matter. That's good though.
Let me talk quick, stop running into like other zones, bro. Like, man, you should have stayed right there, and Ramon was gonna. Hey, in my zone, and this nigga like, bro, listen to me. I'm trying to give. I'm gonna just take you out. And that's all. I'm going right. Well, I'll get ready. Niggas don't want to get the ball.
Oh my god, yeah.
Wow, this Justin nigga is being bitch. Thank you. Deal left.
Give him lane ball.
Yes, sir. You let us down, bro. Can't throw that far, whoever that is on the right. I can't throw that far. You got to stop standing on the field, bro. Come back or something.
Yo, yeah, this is just sorry.
That's solo, bro. You know your
sorriest performance, man.
Oh, bro, solo. He's just sitting right there.
I'm glad, bro. This, like, bro, this O-line, bro, like, without me, they just buns.
This is open.
Bang, bang, shit, bang.
Oh, chopped it, bro.
We're in field goal range, by the way. You might as well kick it, bro. You got somebody type it, bro. I do that. Nigga trying to do that, man. I do it, man. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going to play field, nigga, don't PC. Go to reps out there. Get my Ray 8. Get now. Just kick the ball. Don't let him get set, nigga. Bro, watch this. See, get on alone.
Bang.
Shit, just kick the. You're not calling it up this time. Your trick. You should just fucking kick it. You should just kick it, bro. I don't know why you do
You're not your smartest kicker of all time.
Come on. Look. Ain't that come on, fuck? Oh, shit. I'm going to touch you out. Sorry, bro.
Oh my fucking god, bro. Ass. Better lose them niggas. I swear to God. Let's say Walker just lost. Oh my god.
You right here.
Yo, I'm lagging.
Yo, am I tweaking or is my free safety chart is Blair? Nah, again. That's my chart. Yo, it's like, I got your outside, right?
Oh, that's me.
That's a pick.
That was early.
I caught the ball, you stupid ass nigga.
They punted again, bro. We got 8 points, bro.
I'm glad, bro. Yeah, Walker do got a nice
outside the second quarter. It's outside of LOS on that side. That one side. What is that one side? Right. I'm not saying this side because you and Arizona. I might just say no second half. I mean, I'm keeping no doubt. Might have such a exit outside. Lance blocks T-Rex. You do the second half.
This Lewis nigga, y'all gotta block 3 O-line, my nigga. He's just rolling with me, bro.
I'm going back right. It's 1-on-1 with this nigga.
Justin Grant.
Oh my fucking god.
Like, what? If that was me? Oh my god.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Yo, take the lane. Burgers. I
You
swear
niggas
to
is going
God.
so far deep and expect me to throw the fucking ball, bro.
Like, Burgers, like, oh, take the lane. Right now, I'm glad I didn't do that on that TV. Because if Jared did it, he would have taken the lane.
Nigga, fucking speak. Niggas the fucking playoffs.
Cut it in the middle.
So you can throw like this one.
Oh my god.
You're saying, Ray, stop throwing your outside.
Oh, like,
Bro, I ain't lying, bro. I got to walk, bro. Hold on, bro. Yeah, I got damn.
that's LS. Clear LS or something?
It's got my LS. I got to play that shit.
Stable
Why is
line.
that outside right?
Niggas on the listen, bro. Like, what the fuck? Ray in the ball, Ray. In the ball, man. Ray, it's like, that means there's no rest, my nigga. Fuck, that's just. Gotta be ref, man. There you go. You'll be yours. I'll be it first. I got your block. Go. I'm put you on defense. That's it for right now, Brandon. This game, bro. You just going deep and it's cool and everything.
No, I don't think Sid is not an LOS, bro. He's an outside.
He's not outside. I'm just saying.
Outside, you don't put me there, nigga. Like, what the fuck?
The outside right is just streaking like that bench him and then put Sid again, nigga. Yo,
Yo, he is like.
LS. Let's go for that. Hey.
There's something about myself. Our second half, I'm gonna what y'all saying. Listen, second half, on outside right. Ben so haven't played defense.
Don't have him play defense, just bench him. You don't have to have him play defense, man.
I genuinely don't even want to be here.
If you don't want to be here, better to go there and be here, bro. If my nigga say here, you feel very chubby, not so much shaking. Yeah, struggling against that.
You're saying you here. Say you in the field. Thank you.
Trying to keep it up, bro. I'm trying to win too.
Yes, bro.
I know. Is it there? Is it back in? Okay.
Cutting in. You can.
The ball.
There we go.
Coming out for money.
You in there? Who are we in there?
I'm taking it, nigga. I'm taking this shit, nigga. I feel amazing, Ray. Get on the ball. Oh, yeah.
I get this nigga.
Oh, yeah.
ugly ass prick just got a fucking.
Somebody got to be up in there. I'm getting double team everything.
I know.
It's just in the wind and then not race side, but they always running into each other. But the race side was just running into each other.
I was that so, but you should have had to stay outside, bro.
You
don't like that.
Quick, I get.
Hey, there you go. Yeah, speed. There you go. I jumped in there. Cause bro, we need to think that want to win, not nonchalant with a deep voice or anything. So come on, okay, let's win. What?
Yeah, this nigga game. No,
I'm trying to win the game, bro. Why? Why you sound like you got a win?
No. And he said that with a straight face, showing all we're gonna have. We'll get more second half.
Yeah, I was
Nigga should say that with all 30 should be locked in, bro. I ain't gonna lie, walk, bro. I ain't like this gonna be you gonna play something tight end. Ain't gonna.
You said tight end? I got you, man.
Not tight end, but like, look, he kind of the best on the team right now. I ain't gonna.
Reminder.
Oh my god. I don't think it's locked.
I hate it.
This nigga just locked his son up. Trying to be nice, put niggas on the field, but he's not going.
Let's see in the chat.
Let's see. He's your mic, bro. Your answer said by bum.
I'm ready, bro. I like this.
Hold the call. Y'all seen it. It was a holding call.
Where's ball?
Bro. Oh, they here, bro. Oh my god.
Like that.
I get more. I do better.
It's another holding call.
Who's holding him, bro?
Yo, just put Justin Herbert on. Is there something? He is. Damn.
It's because the D-line is lagging.
Are you lagging in, like?
Just keep something Jackson. I'm going right.
This also nigga finna get fried. This nigga don't know how to play this fucking. I'm finna come back.
Yes, sure.
But shit, if you come back earlier, I didn't walk. No, you said what, Ronnie? What you guys said? Earlier on Ronnie. I got you. Just let me know. I could just do it. Just let me know.
This Luis nigga, he come back in the backfield. I'm on the outside right.
Wait, don't see me in the middle. I'm gonna keep trying.
Why is Lane Strick no RB build?
Oh,
No, they're terrible. No, they're terrible.
Hey, man.
I don't know.
No. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to look at the left side.
Did you drill in Bears on it?
Nah, I wasn't looking at the ball.
I'll pick it up. You got me. Yeah, right sideline.
You got what? I know play you. Play right sideline. Yeah, nigga, I told you I ain't gonna call him. Nigga, wide open. Told you. I told you he's playing on him. They kept going up. Yeah, I kept dragging him. Because he didn't see walk. I was gonna keep dragging him till you
If you didn't see me, that's why I kept calling it out.
Yo, send. I'm gonna pick him down.
Alright, I got you.
We not. Send.
I'm finna out route.
Hey, you got Dan.
Hey, no.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, bro, look at right. I just fried that nigga. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, I keep him outside. Keep him out.
That running back catch was nasty.
You can put that. Just like it. Hey, keep it to the play. That shit's good. He had this for that. No. Right here.
Pancake these niggas. I'm pancaking these niggas.
Fuck, I ran into you in like 2 hours.
That's Yanni.
I ran into you. I would have split that nigga. I just ran into him. Like, yo, Tim, what you yapping about in the chat, nigga? You got open last second.
Yeah. Hello, bro. I'm gonna bet my teeth like 3 days. I'm just gonna keep that shit.
We shut up. 50 right now? We shut up. 50 right now?
I ain't take a shower. I ain't take a shower yet.
I ain't take a shower probably a week. Flip it.
Yeah, I think we're like 3 days.
Flip it.
Big belly.
Put your toe in fender if you can. And it was fucking A-OK.
I'm over you, baby.
Oh, shit.
That's a pick. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, just most of this better on the
That squeaker is the imbecile.
He's back. I'm not fucking bro. I ain't using that. Bro, shit. Hey, nigga.
I got him. I got him.
Come on, get the ball.
Oh my god. It's so fucking good.
Football is sellout. Football is sellout. Football is sellout.
Yo, it like the truth. This nigga football gonna run away from the ball. Fraud, man. Nigga football. I'm lagging. Hold on. Alright, I'm back.
Need more of my name is football. Oh my god.
Garbage, nigga.
Next game, I'm gonna catch something like that. We're going out with a bang.
They ain't playing the ball no more? Oh, I'm about to say. And on the floor, we're going out with a bang.
But we losing in a daddy, we're going out with a bang.
Well, yeah. Wait, you why with the first gloves? You let him reroute? Yeah, AAU, so he can't play the rest of the playoffs.
Oh, yeah, we want to go right? Let that little motherfucker.
Damn, wait, basketball AAU for real? You're very. I'm going to listen. I'm hiding right now.
Yo, watch, look to the left. I'm lagging to the right.
Shit, right? I was watching my shit. Oh, shit.
He don't see me. The nigga that had. Let it drop. Your left sideline.
Fan in the middle. I'm dragging.
Enzo.
Oh my god, dude.
Techniques of
Nigga, might just wide open, bro. Like, yo, this defense is horrible. I don't even understand. Could you be cheating, nigga? What? No, I'm pretty sure. Fuck your screen shot, nigga. We can't see nothing.
Yo, watch. Move around. You got me?
Yeah, this number 4 guy sucks.
Just take it up. I didn't know. Okay.
Dang.
It's fucking offense, bro. See how we move?
Bro, give me LOS, bro. Give me
It's a
LOS.
lineup. But what's the wrong?
Yeah, give me an LOS game.
He's getting dead.
I was thinking about cutting in, but I took money, so I was going to say. I was waiting for you to cut in, bro. It would have been a better applause.
I don't know.
Like, fam, that's what happens when you got, like, the big lucky LOS game. I'm the best on the team. Now, I'm finna troll. I'm going to but I'm going to ask you. All right. I'm going to do it. But it's open. It's open. Thank you. Okay, ain't no play open. You got my Enzo. Oh. Nah, I thought you meant Blitzky.
The big stutter box. No follow.
Yeah, you gotta chill in your game. Enzo. And you gotta live, boy.
I didn't go soon.
Who trash you? What? Enzo.
Hey, don't talk to me
One
like
thing
that.
about you, you chat.
You don't got no deep left. Oh, I ran to the wrong side. I'm tripping. Oh, God.
God.
Really?
Rebani just ran to the wrong side.
Keep him. I'll play short. You keep him. I'll play short. Oh, it's you. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, that nigga Burgess? Fucking garbage.
Nice tackles. These tackles fucking big. I thought I had a pick, I ain't gonna say it.
Oh, my bad. Hey, no.
Trying to get a second one. You're still going to go out with a bang. Yo, Lance, I got you.
I'm letting them burn it. I'm letting them burn for a reason.
That nigga hit that shit.
I was trying to tell you something. I was about to.
He was hoping to head go all the way to the sky like he did in flag football.
Yeah.
That's trash street, bro. It's trash. I was just to say, what's the out route, Enzo? That's a pig.
Yeah, shit. Elijah Lincoln Miami stage tuned in for the call.
Elijah's not even in the call. If he is, I'm betting that nigga. Yep. Go ahead and get out the call, nigga.
No ban.
No matter what. He's on our team. I wish you do that. Oh my god.
Oh, my. Yo, I hope none of y'all can even hear it. And plus, I have a screen delay, so, like, once y'all hear it, the play's already over. So, and plus, Louisiana. Plus, I got deafened. And we get dunked on. Oh, my God. They deafened me. I spelled it wrong. They let score 1 point on us. Oh my god, Walker's a drone. Don't make me go, mama, one mistakes. Not about possibilities. I don't want mistakes. And I should be. I got your landscape 5 yards on you. Nice. But the next game, that's going to be a POV stream. Miami. They got Romani. Bang. Punched on. Whatever that is. That's bum. Top 10 bummiest team of all time. Walker, you're a bum. This team's so sorry. This number 4 is sorry. My team. He's a bum. Straight bum. Like straight like chumness. And that's taken up deep by Zen. Blur. You get taken up deep by Zen. Come on, dude. Like, oh my god, this is just an ass whooping of ass. And you see a goat up there? Hey. Well, I'm trying to tell Burgers. Hey. We can get phone tape back. Hike said, what is he doing? Oh no. Dang. Dang. Man, why they deafing me, bro? Man, why y'all leave my stream? Hey, hey. I'm trying to tell them undeafen me. I don't think anyone wants to play this game. Relayed. That's a pick. That is a pick. Oh my god. Zen. 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 Okay, so Zen's punched on. Hey, everyone, I want you to spam Zen's punched on. They put 12 points on us. Oh, yeah, no, this is very bad. Looks, man. That nigga's a burger, and you can see my aura. I just like. And at the end of the game, I'm gonna jump. But I'm calling Daddy and team myself, Miami, so I can like be able to. Let's go, boys. That is not y'all. But hey, we got it though. Cause I told Romani he's gonna turn his MS to max. Guys, watch. He's gonna catch it. If he goes his high, Romani's gonna catch the ball or Enzo. Watch. I promise you, it's gonna happen. I promise you. I promise you. T-Rex saying she picked it up. Well, I know that's LARP. They're just trying to get another chance, but they're not. Nobody picked it up. But I promise you, not gonna lie, the ball did kind of face through his hands. It did face through Romani. It's a shade of. Let's see where's it. Where's the thoughts? Week 7. Wait, what does that say? Most W7. W7. Yeah, right? He's kind of smart. What the fuck? I thought that was Cammy. Yo, guys, hi.
We're good, Elijah.
Why y'all server mute me and like deafen me? Yo,
Yeah, I
Ramon.
don't know how to do that. He's on our team, bro. He wants to advance in the playoffs, nigga.
Bro, I hope you know, bro. My streaming has like heck of a screen delay, so like once they hear it, like it's already in the next play.
Because he got the ball popped. But looking at their clip, like you were down with the ball got popped. Okay. Yeah, you gotta redo it. It's hard to redo, bro. Just get it again. Yeah, it's hard to redo.
Wait, what about it? Wait, what happened? Okay, but my teammate got it after I got popped.
But it's a redo it, bro. I don't have it, bro. I don't have to redo, bro.
Hey, Romani, dunk on them boys.
You don't understand the redo.
Oh, coming. Us. Yo, I come back and it's like this. You all know what Walker's gonna do. So
Don't y'all walk. You're not the like running back to get off the backfield. You don't steal the ball.
I don't think I'm gonna turn him into this, baby. How about
Saying he trying to steal this shit. He ain't got to steal.
It was PC when I was trying to do it. Are you? Yo, why we kind of look alike though? I'm not liking that. I'm liking that. I'm fine. That's if you got bloodshot, you still have straight my skin color that.
Elijah. Why?
I mean, I got 2 timeouts. Remove that 2 timeouts. Remove that 2 timeouts. Oh yeah, that is the green. Oh yeah.
And they last one was successful.
Last one was successful. This one's not. Then they can remove the timeout, nigga.
I like it. They still have 3 on.
Why do they
actually I'm like. I mean, on my skin, I came up, I got the ball again. Like, I was right here.
Let me lock in, bro. I'm letting this Walkman nigga look like he good, but that nigga ass.
Real.
But this was
They keep running out of that game. Like, they.
Nah, yeah, it was over center.
They definitely do. I know you don't. He only got 88.
Suspend Creed.
Defense we go, bro. Hey, I'm about to get on linebacker and stack. I'm gonna do too.
If it's not,
It's looking at LB. It's looking at LB. Step it on LB field. You said you got throw for safety and ankle lag. You play deep, huh? Actually, I can marry her. I just can't put it.
I'm getting on enforcer. So I can force a fumble. Watch this.
Alright, then. Yes, then.
Get over.
I need a short.
What the fuck?
Why you guys just keep getting on the ball, man?
Look. You not getting over the ball, bro. We're going. Look, nigga, I was literally on his right side. That's the X game.
Well, no, auto Teddy.
Bro, just get over it. Get over enforcer and smack these.
They're gonna try to throw the ball.
Oh, what the fuck are you flagging? There's nothing to flag, bro.
It's really it. Yo, I'm 2v1 on this side. Yo, 2v1 on this side again. What's around? Well, yo, so go up, I'll get pancake.
Oh, word. What the?
It starts, man. Oh my god.
Build and block over in the front, bro.
There's really nothing we could do right there.
What? They're not gonna run it again. It has a slide. You can't put it first.
If you forward an angle, I'm getting tired.
I got you.
Go back.
Just contain. Ray contain. What the fuck is Ray talking about?
1-on-1. Oh my team and shit.
If you don't do build, Ray just block. Bro. Get it back, too. I can't block. You get on D-line block.
Bro, we're about. Hey, if it goes inside, blur.
I'm blocking the skills.
Oh, sorry.
Ramon's catching it.
I get these.
All of these skills, niggas over there.
What I tell you? I told you. Every time, if it's on side kick, niggas still gonna mind it.
They're running the clock out.
Oh, that's fucking ridiculous.
Yes, Lance. Yeah.
No, I just say you're not hard. That's what's no, nigga, you're a fullback, don't get it. Oh yeah. You're in the backfield. I can be a fullback, nigga. I'm blocking for you. Right sideline.
Oh man.
Got me, bro.
Hold the call. Like,
It is.
yo, if it's air height, just take air height out, nigga. It's fucking.
It's not Ed Heights.
Why you going, nigga?
It's the most
I'll
outstanding.
just say it. I'll say it.
Oh.
All you niggas do is hold him. Just take him out, nigga. Ain't glazing.
The most outstanding O-line.
So she getting bullied because I'm trying to be aggressive. Like, it's fine.
Gonna fold again?
You got me right here.
Why you on my side? Why you like to piss me off?
I gotta go left. I got the left lane.
Oh my.
Chill, bro. It's 3 D-line, bro. Like, I shouldn't have to throw the ball out. It's 3.
That's all on you. He sucks.
You gotta learn how to throw the ball.
You gotta learn how to throw
I know you be telling me
I shouldn't have to throw the ball out with 3 D-line. I gotta lean it. It's just not there no more. I'm going left.
And then make some changes on the O-line, gang. It says something, man.
This is the only O-line we got, you dumbass.
These niggas get killed by T-Rex. It's
Hey.
bad.
Never mind.
Go.
Block in the head. You got one on
3, 2, 1. Bang.
Let's go. Spin.
He got off me. I ain't gonna lie. He got off me, gang.
I feel it.
Don't do it. Let me just hand it off.
Oh. All right, and hand it off. All right, I got you.
Hand off? Let's see if it's hand off.
I'm about to take it outside.
Look. Should have took it. I wasn't ready, Ray. I ain't gonna lie. I was not ready.
Move in.
Wait to the RCFB.
Ready for the ball. Wasn't ready, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't ready.
Wait to the RCFB.
Yeah, I got the birds, gang.
Oh, just go up the field. We need a first. Wait, bro. Fucking go.
That shit right.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm just saying. Dude, we not winning nothing, man. Niggas is trolling too much. Like, go up the fucking field. Why are you trying to get shifty on the inch, nigga?
I'm trying to birds, gang. I don't even know
why would you do it the delay hand? I'll find it out. Hey, that'd be good if you're ready. I was going to tell him to steal it, but Ray hyped it before I came to say it.
Go for what?
I had him.
Oh, damn, bro. They teeing up on us, gang. Let me see for the beam.
I did have him.
That ain't a touchdown, bro. Go down. Oh, T-Rex got 1 or 2. Oh. These red heights niggas be doing all the shit like that. I'm saying.
Attacking OTO.
Yo, no, try not to get burned. That's burger on top. I'll take it. I do not dive. Yo, that's okay. I'll say you dive right there. Yo, Burgers, if you would've...
RCFB.
That's on me. I heard you leave.
Hey, bro, all his catches have been comeback in one deep one, bro. Really. And I
wasn't even bad defense, but
that's even.
You gonna come back, Burgers?
Guys, this is my first playoff game, and I can't even play.
Sure, it's not my style.
All right, just get a tackle. All right.
Sure, it's not my style of play when
Just don't let them score here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, hang on. That's big receivers over here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I got the man. Stay on that guy. Please do not get beat. I got the man.
right outside. You get over top sorry.
No, please.
It's big, bro.
Player of the game, bro. Give me player of the game.
Good pickup, because I got beamed on.
Wait till the gate base for like.
Oh my god.
But it's so.
You got the 2 to 3. Got the all-star if he wanted to fight to score. Like, get his ball, Lance. Do not dance with it.
I'm going right.
Middle. See, bro. This nigga block, man. Stop mixing, bro. Go upfield, bro.
If I get the ball, I'm gonna get the first down so I get to waste the clock.
All right, bro. It's playoffs time, bro. Go upfield, bro. It's playoffs, bro.
Bro, we're open. Don't waste the time, bro. Get on my ear.
I'm
going right. I'm gonna get and I'm gonna impact. Look at me, game. Like I'm not.
He's right. I'm gonna fold.
He's right the game.
Which is there. They're calling timeout where they could win this. Nice. Yo, Lance, what's his position, bro?
Oh, that's your position. It's playoffs.
Yeah, dude. What?
Yo.
You want to playoffs? No, I forgot. Okay. And like 8 in the middle.
The latest.
Hold it, go.
It's a pass, right here.
Go. What up? Yeah. Low-key, Ramon, you should have kept the post over, and I was going to tell Zen to come back. And that's the sin, but it was all that stuff. Didn't matter.
All right, it's time to run the clock out, y'all.
Give it a book.
That's when this game go.
I haven't even been trying to route for it because Walkman and Walker did double teaming me game. Agent. They just line up.
Give him a lane, ball. Give him a lane. The right side line for game. Right side line.
You got one side line. Yeah, hit him.
Right side line for game. All right, that's game. Let's put icing on the clock. On the cake.
I'm throwing this bitch deep last play, man.
Yes, I won a playoff game. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Who's block? Do not steal it.
Oh, I'm trying to get out of this game. I'm trying to throw the ball.
I'm not tossing, man. I'm throwing the bucket. We're open again here. Left.
Oh, I'm the better quarterback, bitch. Oh my god.
Let me throw
How do you hold? Ball.
Yes, man. Let me throw a touchdown.
Yo, these guys are red.
You don't receive better signing.
These guys are red.
Oh, watch out, Rico. Stop trolling. I'm going left. I'm going to go pick me. Ray, give me the right side, Ray. Give me the right. Sit down. Please.
Ramani!
She ain't get up to the one.
I know I did record this in, bro.
Throw that bitch.
It's just toss it. Crowd toss it. Crowd toss it. You know this means?
No.
GG, man. That boy good game.
We want in the chat with.
What's up, man?
I told you, nigga.
What's that ass? You gotta learn when to stop trying to go to the RB.
Ragin got text 7 times. Oh my god. That's a record.
It was bad. From my line was getting fucked. I ain't gonna lie.
So, dick, I told you.
We gonna have fucking problems versus fucking easy. I ain't gonna lie.
No game, nah, get fucked. So off the field, bro. We good.
No, I'm talking about the O-line part. They gonna fuck some.
See, you don't wear that type of Like, ain't no way I should have been getting double by the beat and the short the entire game, but niggas would not drop on me.
Hey, why the fuck Ramoni even know what the fuck? Eligible. That's it. Eligible, bro. Can you not read it? I just seen him with suspensions, and I seen him with suspension, and I was like, oh shit.
It's time to watch.
Hey.
I'll see y'all later.
Let's watch some corner real quick.
Let's go, boys.